We're checking out today 300 LEDs, a 2-pack of 105 feet each of warm white light with 8 modes solar powered for the evening hours. Check online for further details. These come in many different types of colors and many sizes. So let's open up the box and show you what you get inside. We're going to do our best to hang it up outside and show you what it's all about. You get 2 remote controls, 2 stakes, 2 wall mounts. You get the 2 solar controllers that you hang up that you simply turn on, the mode, and so forth. And there's the wall mount. There's the plug-in to the wires. You got a lot of LEDs. So let's get right to this review outside. When you shine this in the sun, you can see the battery charging, the amount of lights, and the on and off switch. And we have one hooked up right now. What we're going to do is we're going to hit the on and off power switch, and there is a timer as well. So as we put this down, we go through the different modes. This is mode 1, mode 2, mode 3, mode 4, mode 5, mode 6, mode 7, mode 8, and should go back to the original mode and then off. If you want to hit the timer, there are different amounts of timers for this unit. Again, we'll check the instructions and further online. We have the instruction guide. We have here is a protective film that must be removed. And here we have is the on and off and the reset button. You have the 8 modes, and you have here the 3, 5, and 8 hour of the timer, and the brightness and the dimness of the levels of the controller. Unwrap your line, do the best you can. You have 8 feet of line here that you could just basically hook up to your solar panel. Grab the end, grab a stake, grab a piece. Remember to peel off the film that's on the solar panel protector, and simply just line up the hole like so and screw in to keep it IP rated. And depending on where you have your setup hooked up, you simply put on, plug in, put to the ground, and it's already angled to the sun. If you want to hang it on the wall, there is a little hook here so you can hang it on the wall, or you could just leave it like so when ready to use. On those not so shiny days, right? You simply take it out, you open up this particular area that exposes a USB-C port, and this also has a clip that you can hang it, let's say like right here on the side to the sun. So we're going to hook up, attach, and the sun's coming out, and we're going to clip it to our awning like so. The evening hours are struck. The lights turned on automatically dusk to dawn. The remote control is set to number 1, and they automatically go through all 8 modes. You have a 2-pack, 300 LEDs against the wall lit up, and the other 300 LEDs wrapped around. So as you can see how they're flashing, slowly fading, quickly going, flickering into the different modes. You could decorate your landscape, your gazebo, your tree, outdoor tree, inside, anywhere you like. These are Christmas decoration lights, a warm light. They will have a timer from a number of hours that you could turn the timer on or off. You have a different number of ways to control this. You could brighten up and dim down the lights manually. So we'll dim down the lights for you, and we'll increase the lights for you. As you can see how they're flickering on each of the modes. And we could change to the different types of flickering, the light effects, And then we could simply put it on a timer. And if we want to cancel the timer, we simply hit the cancel. And if we want to reset the whole thing, we hit the reset. If we want to shut it off entirely, we hit the off button. When we want to turn it on, we hit the on button. The remote control must be facing towards the back of the unit, otherwise it will not work. And there is a light on the unit, so you can see it go on and off. You can do this all manually over here on the solar panel as well. I hope you enjoy your holiday lights, no matter what holiday it is, to decorate your area. Enjoy your product.